Wait. Oops. I'll try to do a pin. Answering your questions today. Asking questions. Hashtag Ask Josh for. Alrighty. Hey guys. Sorry, kakaligo ko lang. Oh. A button's not done. Ano ba? Mas maganda bang open or close to? Ayun. Okay, hey guys. Sige, padagdagan muna natin para masagot ko yung mga tanong nyo. How is everybody doing today? I hope everyone's having a good Saturday. And yeah. Ito yung suot ko later. I'm going to an event. IBIFA event. It's Max's birthday. Ayan, sige. Ilan ba kailangan ko i-close to? O mas maganda bang open? Yan, ganyan. Okay. Let's do some answering. Okay. Hanap ako ng question natin eh. Okay. Since may mga nagtanong sa X ng mga questions sa akin, I'm gonna give you guys some answers from it. Kuya Gabi! What's up? What's up, buddy? What's up, bro? Hidino? Sir Gabby Eigenman. Hello, kuya. How are you po? Oh, ito. There's a question here. By me is Messi by Rosie at poprock_Rosie. Ang question niya. If you didn't pursue showbiz, would you still stay in the UK? In that case, what career path would you have chosen? Ako, honestly, if I didn't do showbiz, I would have gone pilot. As I'm gonna do aeronautics engineering maybe. Mahilig rin kasi ako sa maths. So, I think that would have been a really fun but stressful part of my life if ever. So yun, feeling ko pag ginawa ko yun, kakayanin naman. Alam niyo naman kahit anong pagsubok, kakayanin yan. So yeah. Thank you for that question by Messi, Rosie. Wait lang, may nakita ko dito kanina eh. I like that question eh. Wait a second. Oops, sorry. Where is it? Ayan. Yung mga question nyo. Guys, tanong nyo yan sa X with a hashtag AskJoshFord para makita ko yan. Sa mga may birthday ngayon, happy birthday sa inyo. Oh, ito. Here's a question by Avis at Frustrated Lifer. Okay, this was her question. Are you open to the possibility of your life being portrayed on a Magpakailan episode? And if ever, would you want yourself to star in it or someone else to portray you? I'm very open. Very open to it. I mean, it is, oh wait, sorry. Alright, wait lang guys. I got my food. My bad. And, si AZ ba nandito? AZ, ano na? Ito, wait lang. Answer ko lang question ito. By at Frustrated Lifer. Ako very open sa possibility na yun. I'd allow to have a younger me, of course. Para makita ko rin yung kung ano ba talaga nangyari sa akin. And I can explain it better. But I'd love to portray myself. Para maramdam nyo talaga yung mga emotions and yung mga nangyari sa buhay ko. So yeah, I'm very open to that. Asian, ginagawa mo dito. Yan na natin. How do I do that? Oh. Sorry, ano yun, AZ? Okay, Gabby, I'm just doing a Q&A. Kahit anong question, sasagutin ko. No limits. Oops. Guys, use the hashtag Josh Ford. Ask Josh Ford pala. Ito magandang question to. And guys, kay Kuya Dino, thank you for collating the answers. Well, the questions for me. I really do appreciate it. And happy birthday to you. Maraming salamat. May girlfriend ka na ba? Uy! Kailangan may hashtag Ask Josh Ford yan para masagot ko yan. Bonita is ka. How to be Kuya Gabby Eigenman? Ayun yung question ko. Are you going later, Kuya Gabby? I might see you later. Oh, ito. Ito. This is a good question. By Yumi. At Yumi Valbun. What brought you back to the Philippines to pursue acting again? Was there a particular moment that made you realize you still wanted to follow this path? Ako, ever since I was young talaga, I loved acting. You know, when I started with ABS, nung nag-Otwal ako, nung bata pa ako, as in, napamahal talaga ako. So I really enjoyed it. And then when something happened to my family, we had to go back to the UK. Pagdating ko doon, parang, syempre na-enjoy ko naman yung ibang culture. Doon talaga yung roots ko eh. You know, doon nakatira yung dad ko before. So, napamahal din ako sa UK. Pero nandun ako sa UK, nag-theater ako. I did a show, a theater play, School of Rock para sa school. And nung ginawa ko yun, sabi ko, namimiss ko na yung Pilipinas. Namimiss ko na mag-acting. Namimiss ko na magpasaya ng mga ibang tao. So, wala. After college, pinili ko talagang umuwi dito para i-pursue ulit yung acting, you know? That was probably the particular moment, yung nalaman ko na parang, you know what? Binigyan ako ng chance ng mama ko. Pinapili niya ako, ano ba gusto mong gawin ko? Ano bang gagawin ko? Magstay dito sa UK or umuwi ng Pilipinas para gawin yung pag-acting? So, syempre, pinili ko yung pag-acting kahit na malayo ako sa family ko because this is what I love doing and I hope you guys are loving what I'm doing. So, yeah. Ate Camille! Ano na? Unang hirit na! Unang hirit na! Guys, tanong niyo yan sa ex yung mga sinasabi niyo ngayon. Natutuwa ako sa mga ibang question niyo ngayon Ito. Wait lang, ano ba pwede dito? Wait lang Hanapin na muna natin. Natatawa ako sa mga question dito Guys, hashtag ask Josh for nyo dyan. Post nyo yan sa X. Para makita ko. Ano ba bali dito? Ito. Meron question sa akin si Kish for the love. At Azuela Ray 43740. What's your reaction about your lookalike Hollywood actors? Hunter Duhan, Mason Thames, and Christopher Brittany. Ngayon ko na narinig yung Christopher Brittany Yun lang Sige, pagtabi-tabi natin to. Hunter Duhan first. How do we get Hunter Duhan? Try natin. Yun lang guys Hunter Duhan. Him? Really? We look alike? Paano ba? Ayusin yung book dyan. Kamukha ba? Pwede. Pwede yun Who's the other one? Si Mason Thames. Mason Thames. Uy, parang kumukha ko nga to ah. Ay, pero iba yung hair niya eh. If I had my hair longer, na ganyan siya. Probably. Ayun, pwede ko magkumukha yan. Pero dapat na ganyan mukha ko. Younger version pwede daw. And who's the last one? Christopher Brittany. Christopher Brittany. Oh, sorry guys. Ah, I know him. Ah, pag naka-straight siguro buhok ko pwede. Oo nga, ano. Eh, sorry. Ah, pala na ganun kamay ko. Ay, na ganun na. All right. Well, thank you for those lovely questions. And we're back. I still have more questions here. Mm-hmm. Oh, ito magandang question to by Rian. Rian at LLEWNI-verse. Hi Josh, I binge watched all of your past projects sa Kapamilya kanina lang. Hehe. Sobrang nababad ka pala sa heavy drama as a child actor. Just wondering if you would be open to doing heavy drama roles again or psychotic roles. Your acting strength kasi is your eyes. Sobrang expressive, may lalim. Oo, thank you. Ako syempre very open, you know. I'd love to be a versatile actor. You know, gusto kong magawa yung mga gusto nyo makita. So, of course, very open ako. Gusto ko rin matry yung psychotic roles. Feeling ko masaya ilaro yun eh, you know. Hindi mo na kung paano atakihin yung ano eh, yung role eh. So, I think that would be a really, really good role. Maybe in the future, you know. Oo. May gigil, oo, pag psychotic, di ba? Tapos hindi mo na kung paano mo lalaroin eh. I think that would be fun. Oo. Oh, ito. May tanong si Tio Atog at Do Fresne 1994. Josh, you recently met Jameson and Sam Concepcion. When will we see a James Reid and a Young Clark reunion? Or at least direct to net down eh. Oy! Sana magkaroon kami ng reunion. You know, tagal na rin nun and it was grabe, that was a very good show. And daming records na break. Kaya hopefully soon, you know. Nakapag-reunion na ako with Jameson at Kuya Jameson at Kuya Sam. Hopefully with James and kay Direk. Hopefully in the future magkita kami and baka magulit si Direk. Lumaki na ako. Hopefully she still remembers me. But yeah, I'd love to see them again. If pa pala, I know. G ako dyan. So, hey guys. Yung tanong niyo dito ah. Ang kikit dyan ah. Ah, sige na nga. I'll answer a question I know you guys want me to answer. Meron dito nakita ko lang. Mhm. Wait lang, nasan na nawala ako? Oh, ito, galing kay Cherry. At Cherry Kisses. Ayan na, sagutin ko na yan ah. Another question. What if you and Kira never became a duo on the first week? What if Kish never happened? Do you honestly think you and Kira would still find a way to be friends? I wanna know. Hashtag Ask Josh Ford. Tapos may picture pa kami, oh. Wow naman! Got a photo. For me, yes. For sure yan, you know. Kahit hindi ko siya maging gatuo in the first duo formation, feeling ko makikilala ko pa rin si Kira, you know? It's not about the fact that we became a duo, but it's the fact that we both are very alike. Kaya feeling ko, kahit anong mangyari, I'd still be friends with her. I'd still get to know her. And, we'd still be close. We'd still be close. Hindi ko lang ako magiging ano yan. Sa tingin niyo may kiss pa rin ba if ever nangyari yun? Oh. I mean, hopefully. Feeling ko naman, we'd still be very good friends. For sure, for sure. Sige. What can we ask here pa? Ito maganda tanong to By fan girly pop at fan girl in G-pop. Oh, fan girling pop. Oops, sorry. Fan girling pop. Sabi niya, Josh, totoo bang naging team captain ka ng basketball team during your schooling time in the UK? And na-mention mo na you love sports. So ano-ano mga sports na ito? The first question, yes, I was the captain of our basketball team. Kasi nandito ako sa Pilipinas, ang liit ko. As in, hindi ako nakapasok sa team. Lagi lang ako nasa gilid. Parang hindi ako pinapalaro ng coach. Nanonood lang ako. So, boring. Hindi ako makapaglaro kahit na gusto ko maglaro. Ay! Nito pala si Ralph. Ralph, hindi kayo nagtagpo ni AZ. Sayang. Or is AZ still here? Ayun, basketball team. I was the captain niya sa Portsmouth College namin and sa St. Edmunds. That was really good. Ako na-enjoy ko yun kasi nandito ako, I wasn't really noticed Pero when I got there, and then na-enhance ko yung skills ko, buti na nakita. Oo. And I mentioned mo, guys, any sports, as in, any sport, wait lang, ito, pin ko to. Pin comment. Yan. Ayan, ako talaga. Any sports. I love frisbee. That's one sport I really like. Frisbee talaga. I love swimming. Pero ngayon hindi pa ako pwede mag-swimming Nag-iipon pa ako para I have my surgery. Ano ba? Kahit anong sports, legit. Kahit chess, that's a sport. I love chess. Kung gusto niyo mag-chess tayo soon. Pwede yan. Oo. Ito. 8. Maganda itong question ito. Beranon Phrononymous. R at RF Ranonimo 50745. Honor student ka ba nung bata ka pa, Josh? Ako, meaning ko, nung grade school ako, guys, sobrang kulit ko nung bata ako. Tanong niyo pa yung mama ko. Hindi ako nakikinig sa class, ang kulit ko. And I just wanted to always have fun. Pero nung mga grade 5, grade 6, doon na ako nag-lock in. Sabi ko, wait, teka. Kailangan ko na magseryoso. Anong ginagawa ko? So, nung grade 5, grade 6 ako, wala. I feel like, doon na ako mas nag-focus. And nung grade 6, doon talaga ako nag-lock in. Kaya nakapasok po ako nun Kisay. That's when I wouldn't say I'm an honor student though. You know, I don't wanna say that. Parang, I've never failed. I've never failed. And never ako bumaba ng line of 8. So, an honor student, hindi ko na masasabi kong honor student. But intellectual naman, no? Aminin ko yun. I know some stuff naman. So yeah. Where do you see yourself in 5 years from now? Obviously, I just want to be happy from 5 years from now. I want to be proud of myself. You know, where do I see myself 5 years? But I want to be proud. I want to have no regrets. Gusto ko masabi sa sarili ko na I've made it and I've done it in 5 years. I wanna be able to have a lot of options. Kunyari may gagawin ako, hindi ko naisipin kung magkano ba to or pwede ba to. I just want to be able to do it. You know? to have a stable income. Yun na lang, na blessed family. Lahat positive and happy. So, yeah. Hoy! Anong tanong to? By Rai Hannah at Hannah Rai _Rai. Okay. What is your love language pala, Joshi? Nako po. Hello. Oy, si Jira.sybg. Hi. Don't worry. I noticed you guys. I promise the comments. I can see all of you. Hello sa inyong lahat. And thank you for watching. Hi. Pero okay, wait lang. Love language ko? Nako! Lahat. Love language ko yun, lahat. Wala ka mapili eh. Ako, hindi. Quality time and physical touch, I'd say. I love spending time with the person I care. And syempre, physical touch, makaro, I love hugs. When I'm with my family, always hugs. Ako, very baby boy ako pagkasama ko mama ko. So, feeling ko dahil doon, lagi ako nabe-baby dati. So, yeah. I'd say that. Ngayon. Carlis, kumusta ka? How's your pickleball going? Oh, yan. Sige, guys. If you want to know more questions, well, hear more answers, I mean, check out X at tanong nyo lang yung question na yun, hashtag AskJosh for it. Kahit i-post nyo lang or you reply to my tweet, sasagutin ko yan. Here's the IG Live. And siguro part 2 on TikTok. Yeah. Well, thank you. I'm gonna eat my lunch lang. Late lunch ko na to eh. Hindi pa ako nakain lunch. Pero yeah, I'll eat lunch lang and then I can get back to you guys soon. Oopsie. There you go. Yun tayo. Alrighty, guys. Well, thank you for joining. I hope you all enjoyed. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. And guys, okay na ba yung suot ko? Legit. Okay na ba yung suot ko? I'm going to an event eh. Ano ba? Open, close. Let's boogie. Ano ba? Okay ba? Gana pa ako eh. Mag-bracelet pa ako. We got the bracelets. But okay. I'll see you all soon, okay? And mag-post na ba ako sa TikTok? Hindi ko lang ba't ako na shadow banned. Kira's in Davao. Oy, Kira, if you're watching, is she watching? Good luck in Davao. So, yeah. Earrings talaga. Hi, Jira. Kamusta ka? Nga, maka-finale na. Guys, abangan niyo mamaya, 4:45 p.m. This is one of an episode, and I hope you guys like it. Oo! Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng mama ko. Yes. Okay. I'll see you guys soon, okay? Ingat kayong lahat. I hope you guys have a good Saturday. Stay blessed. And ingat kayong lahat. God bless. Bye, everybody. Bye-bye. Thank you for joining. Mag-question lang kayo ng Ask Josh for it. Sasagutin ko lahat yan. I'll try my best. Ano ba? Nakasagot ako. Ilan ba ngayon? Mga 12 ata? Or mga 10 lang? But yeah. See you guys soon. I'm gonna have my eat lang ako. And I'll see you all soon, okay? Bye-bye. Thank you. Or so flying kiss para sa'yo. Mwah. Bye-bye.